Let me tell you something. This is me on a modern day. You should never, ever define your worth by what you have, or what you wear, or how you look. Because your worth isn't defined by anything else except for your soul. I saw a video yesterday here on TikTok where a woman was making a video, and she was talking about that she had a hard day and maybe she was coming from work or something, and she was telling people to post anyway, no matter how they look or what they wear or how they are. Just post anyway. And that is right. You should post anyway, no matter what. It doesn't matter, because authenticity is what we want. And what struck me though about that video was that she was talking about that she was ugly because she was tired. And I wanted just to remind you that you speak your reality. So you should never, ever talk about yourself as ugly or stupid or any negative word. Because the more you do it, the more you believe it. You are not ugly even when you are waking up with no makeup on. I have my makeup on now, and I am beautiful. I didn't have my makeup on this morning when I woke up. I was also beautiful in the morning when I woke up. It doesn't matter, because our beauty comes from within, not by the way we look or by the way we dress or what kind of car we drive or what kind of house we own. Our beauty comes from within, and what defines us as persons is what is here, not all of this, not the outside world, nothing except for what is in here. Remember that.